Hi guys, Coach Mosley here with Triple Impact Coaching. Today's ball handling series is called a sit-down series. We're going to do a whole series where we're kind of starting, sometimes we'll start high and work our way down, and other times we'll just start right on our bottom. Our big goal is to try to make sure our ball doesn't die and really try to keep your dribble alive. Have fun today. All right, left hand. Oh yeah. Hey, back up. Nice. Good. Let's see, left hand. Nice. Good job, guys. Yep. Yep. Finish it. Yep. See, it keeps. Last 10. Good. Away from your body. Good. Away. Good. Now forward. Now do it forward. Dribble forward. And then bring it back. Dribble forward and bring it back. And bring it back. Forward. Good. Away and back. Good. Away and back. One more. Away and back. Good. Now towards me. Good. And then back. Forwards and back. Good. That's okay. Forwards and back. One more. Forward